That front splitter, that's the only thing that low key low. He about to put it up there right now. Yeah, buddy. Big boy tires.
Over here, A1 exhaust.
I don't know, man. Y'all come shop, man.
Hit that good?
So what's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy Young J, man. And I know y'all been waiting for this video, bro. But today, as you can see, man, look where we at. You probably can't see it's good, but shout out to my people, man. I'm about to get an exhaust put on the truck, man. So I'll show y'all boys what we got right now. All we got right now, son, we got this little exhaust right here. I'll show y'all. See this? That's all we got right now. It's pretty quiet. It's pretty quiet right now, bro. But once I get the exhaust put on there, y'all gonna see, bro. But let me see, I'm gonna hop back in there so they can mind their little business. But look, bro, I ain't gonna lie, it's hot right now, bro. But I just wanna show y'all boys that I'm about to get the exhaust put on right now, bro. So you see, it's a hot day. I was working. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all, I was really working, bro. So that's why I just heard me throw on a little t-shirt or whatnot. But I ain't gonna lie, bro, this exhaust about to be crazy. I think I'm gonna go with either 4.5 inch tip, just a black tip on that though. And they, you know, they give me good prices, bro. So if y'all from New Orleans and y'all want tap in with them, bro, it's right by the tunnel, bro. Right by the tunnel by Harvey and stuff. This is actually the muffler shop I always go to, bro, cause they always show love, for real, bro. And you don't never have no problems. But I'm gonna show the video of them putting it on and cutting the stock exhaust off and everything. I ain't gonna lie, bro, this thing gonna sound crazy, bro. But y'all stay tuned, man. I'm gonna catch up with y'all a little later when they actually put the exhaust on here. Let's get to the video, gang. Loaded? It ain't going nowhere, huh?
No, you gonna weld it.
Alright, I'm out.
It ain't gonna go nowhere after you weld it, yeah. Ain't nobody gonna try to get it off or nothing.
Boy, if you don't get over here, A1 exhaust.
I don't know, man. Y'all come shop, man. Might have to get their stuff so y'all can see their stuff. This is what all they got, bro. Y'all see that? Boom. Shot right there. And you can see what they get my stuff. Quick too, bro. I ain't gonna lie. They got it from the side. Yeah, that's perfect. That's perfect. That's perfect. Coming down. Yeah, that looks too crazy now. I like that. It ain't gonna, automatic ain't gonna work. Y'all see that second boy? Woo. That's way better than before. And I'm gonna get him starting it up. Ain't gonna sound too much different, but yeah, we good with that. We good with that. We good with that. Sweet. Back the road. Thank you, that's nice. Sheesh. My shot is sexy. Y'all see that tip though, bro? Hey, yeah, I'm liking that. I'm liking that. Got to. Sheesh. That might work crazy. I ain't gonna lie. That's it. Let me pan for it soon. Woo. But that tip look crazy, boy. That tip look crazy. That's what I like to see. That look good right there. To the side. Everything back. Look, I ain't gonna lie. That is still looking sexy though. And look, I ain't show y'all boys. Y'all probably forgot. I have exhaust on it too. Hey bro, you can start it up real quick. I'm gonna let them hit the exhaust. The game can hit the exhaust. Y'all see that? 5-inch tip. About to let y'all head. I know y'all ain't there. You got to start it. Hear that bit? See, it's still quiet, but it's really how I like it. I ain't gonna lie. That bitch perfect. That bitch perfect, cuz. That bitch perfect. And it's a 5-inch tip back here. So that sucker's sitting sexy and pretty. I ain't gonna lie. From the side, this how it look. It stick out a little bit, and that's really what I wanted. But I ain't gonna lie, in the comment section, bro, I know y'all probably like, that's a nice little wheel gap. I don't really be tripping, bro, because if you know in my city, bro, the bumps is no hoe, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you. Y'all seen in one of my POVs, bro, I hit a big ass pothole. That shit was crazy. The only thing, it been sitting so high, you can't really feel it like that.
You way too high, oh goddamn, I'ma forgot my name. Sweaty bitch too bad, dumb in here, but I swear she get a good brain. Man, these niggas be scary, hell try me get hit up with this flame. I'm in the yo trying to make me hit, why these niggas just sit around and complain.